Hannover Messe is getting really close, and our build is getting better and better by the day. Hey there, my name is Christopher Sandoval. I'm a developer relations advocate here at Flowfuse. And today I'm going to walk you through the implementation of computer vision for our Hannover Messe demo, as well as the HMIs connected to our two machine centers. Alright, ready? Let's dive right in. So as you've probably noticed, we have a ton of data that's coming across our MQTT feed. And what we really wanted to do is take that data and abstract it down to the operator level to show what someone might see if they were using something like an HMI. Now, in order to make an HMI, we needed to have a couple assets put into our flows. The first one is this SVG. This SVG lives in a template node and basically takes all of the data that's coming across MQTT and builds a machine state. With the machine state stored in flow context, we can then use it to change up the way that the SVG looks like on the HMI itself. So essentially, when you're running data through the system, it'll actually flag that data and it'll change the LED to green to show that it's operational. When you don't have data coming through, it'll change the LED to red and it'll show you through the animations that the system is not running. Now, one cool feature of this HMI specifically is its ability to detect whether a human operator is at the machine or not. And the way that we're doing this is using our computer vision model that we talked a little bit about a couple episodes ago. In essence, we have an Ethernet camera that is being pushed across the network, and every couple of seconds we're pulling a frame from that camera stream. Now when we have that frame, we push it to a local ONNX model that basically does some object detection. Now you'll see here that there's a couple boxes, and one of them is detecting that a human is in the picture. We can use the confidence score as a sort of soft gate. In this case, we might hit 80%, and for our detection here, since we're not using it for any safety locks, 80% is good enough to detect whether an operator is here or not. Now the object detection flow that's going on here pushes back to MQTT, which allows us a portability of state across not just this HMI, but across the entire system. This allows us to do a lot of things, everything from accountability to historical tracking, and it's a really cool demonstration of the sort of computer vision that you can deploy on Flowfuse in just a couple nodes. So as you can see, computer vision on Flowfuse is really interesting and powerful. Its tight integration along with our HMI deployment show you exactly how flexible and powerful these systems can be at scale, in situ, in an application across multiple Flowfuse instances. Flowfuse makes this all possible, and in just a few minutes, you can deploy a system just like this that is extensible, scalable, and secure. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving us a like, comment, or subscribe. And if you're going to be at Hannover Messe, please stop by the booth and say hello. This has been Christopher Sandoval. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.